Hey, it's Lou. I'm having a problem with my 05 F-150 with the windows not working correctly. It first started when I had a problem with the passenger side. It would not roll up and down via the switch on that door, passenger door. I just let it go because I could control it with the main. And then a couple months went by and none of the windows function anymore. Other things work on it. Lock and unlock. The mirror works. And so what we're going to do is we're going to diagnose what the problem is, and then we're going to try to fix it. So here we go. Key is in ignition. That's the problem I have. When I push buttons up or down, the truck will beep. And the light, there's a light on the dash that flashes. I'm going to show it to you. You ready? So, the first thing I thought of is I had this happen to another vehicle of mine in the past, a long time ago. We're going to disassemble the joint here and see if there's any broken wires, or we're going to give them all a tug and see if any of them break or if there's any broken. I've had it where a wire will break inside of an actual, the plastic casing, and you can't see it with your eyes. So you have to pull on it and it will break the plastic coating around the wire. So that's going to be our key, is looking for wires that are broken or wires that are broken inside of the insulation around a wire. So we're going to look at that now. Okay, here we are. We're going to take the boot between the door off so we can expose the wires. Alright, no problems yet here. It's very taped up, so we might have to undo some of that tape. Alright, let's pull the other side off. Alright, look at that. You got one wire popping out. Keep on looking here. Two wires. Let me turn off the truck here. Well, that's kind of a scary thing there, is having that big of a wire being disconnected, possibly causing a grounding problem. So I'm going to disconnect the battery really quick so we can try to rehook up these wires and put everything back together. So hold on. Okay, back at it here. Battery's disconnected. We're going to try to pull all these wires out. Let's push that inside the door. Oh, even more. Here you can see the problem in here. Check it out. All these wires are broken. They're actually bad insulation on like all of them. But what we're going to do for now is we're going to find all the wires here that are missing, that are probably shoved down here. We'll pull them through and we'll get them all hooked back up. And then I'll show it to you, and then hopefully that fixes all of our problems. Hopefully we don't have any fuses blown. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. I just finished hooking up the 3 wires. I soldered them first. Do not use wire nuts in the door frame. But I went through and I tugged on all the other wires to see if they would break. They would not break. So I'm basically going to tie this up as one big piece of wire again. and then we're gonna put the boot back on and we'll test it out. So give me a minute, we'll finish that up. Here's a quick shot, put back together. I'll pull you back so you can see if it works with me. Alright, I'm gonna go hook up the battery. Turn on the ignition. Radio's reset. And passenger door works now. I'm gonna go try it from over there. I'll be right back. Yep, works over here too. So just so you know, when it comes to looking at an F-150, always check your fuses first. Second, it's going to be the wiring most likely in your door. It's a pivot point and a failure point for these trucks. That's all I got for today. I'm happy to finally get this project complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Thank you, have a good one.